Hello and welcome to my first cocktail tutorial. My name is Rezwal and today I'm going to show you 5 easy vodka based cocktails that you can do at home. If you're hosting a party, it's going to be perfect. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description below so you can see it and you can do it. So let's get started. My first cocktail is going to be the easiest. That's a screwdriver. It's based with 2 ingredients. One is vodka and orange juice. So all I'm going to do is start with a glass of ice. I'm using a spin-off vodka. You can use any liquid vodka which you like. I'll be using a spin-off. So all you need is 60 ml of vodka. I'll list the link to the chart where you can convert from ml to cl and 2 ounces. So it's much easier for you to get it down wherever you're doing it. So 60 ml of vodka. And orange juice. A spoon, use a slide stir, and to complete it, all you need is orange with a cherry. There you go, that's a screwdriver. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's Joe Collins. This cocktail is with just 3 ingredients: vodka, soda water, and lime juice with a mix of lime cordial, or we can put simple syrup, whichever one you prefer. So the same way, let's start. Fill a glass of ice. Again, 60 ml of vodka. $10 ml of simple syrup. $10 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then top it up with soda water. To complete your drink, garnish it with a lime, a slice of lime or a lime peel, whichever one you like. Cheers, that's Joe Collins. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail. That's cake coda. Nowadays it's called cake coda. So again, it's just 2 ingredients. What you need is vodka and cranberry juice. So let's start with filling a glass with ice. Again, 60 ml of vodka. Freshly squeezed, just a dash of lime juice. I will just use 10 ml. And then top it up with cranberry juice. To complete your drink, all you need is lime peel or lime slice, whatever you like. Just garnish it. There you go. And that's a cake coda, or what you like to say, cake coda. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, it has 3 ingredients: vodka, lime, sugar. And all you need is crushed ice. So first, take 8 wedges of lime, put it in a glass. Second, use 2 teaspoons of sugar. moderately to extract the juices out of the lime, and so you get that nice there we go. If you do have crushed ice, all you need is crushed ice, and if not, you can use normal cube ice. So all I'm going to do, just because I don't have crushed ice, I'll be using normal ice, but if you have crushed ice, or you can crush the ice and just fill the glass full of ice. And add your 60 ml of vodka. Take a spoon, give it a stir. And like I said, to complete the drink, garnish it with a lime. There you go. That's your caipiroska. Cheers. Moving on to the last cocktail, which is Bloody Mary. In this cocktail, you need vodka, Tabasco, Worcester sauce, salt, pepper, tomato juice, and garnish is lime or celery stick or whichever one you have. So let's get started. Again, take your highball glass, and let's start with Tabasco. I'll be putting 2 dashes of Tabasco. Two drops of Worcester sauce. Salt according to your preference. Vodka, 60 ml. And freshly squeezed 10 ml of lime juice. Don't forget the ice. And top it up with tomato juice. On top, all you need is just put some pepper, and like I said, to complete the drink, all you need is a garnish. I'm using a celery stick. If you do not have a celery stick, you can use a lime peel or a lime slice. There you go, that's Bloody Mary. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. That's it for now. Enjoy life. See you.